Welcome back everybody to Heather's East Kitchen. On today's video, we are making fried honey barbecue chicken. And if you're new to my channel, welcome, and make sure you subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any future uploads. So we are starting with cleaning and drying off our chicken pieces, and mine was cleaned off camera to save on time. So here are the seasonings we are going to be seasoning our chicken with today. Go ahead and use as much or as little as you like. It's all up to your taste buds, but in our household, we do like to have a lot of seasoning on our chicken. We like it well seasoned. So this is what we're using. We got some garlic, some Lowery seasoning salt, and some Morton seasoning. So we have our chicken pieces inside of a bowl right now. We're using this bowl to get all of our spices added onto the chicken, and then you're going to go ahead and mix it all together with your hands once you put all your seasonings on top. So now that we have our chicken seasoned, it's now time to flour our chicken. I'm using a chicken batter from my local meat market. So you can use flour or whatever your favorite batter may be. It doesn't matter when it comes to the battering of your chicken. Okay, so I'm checking my grease to make sure that it's ready, and I see that my green light is on, so that means it's ready and it's at the proper temperature. All right, so since it's ready to go, we're going to go ahead and start frying up these chicken pieces. So while we're waiting on our chicken to cook, we're going to go ahead and start making our sauce. We're going to be using a basic barbecue sauce, and my family loves Sweet Baby Ray's, so we're going to start off using 2 cups of barbecue sauce in the pan. Alright, so with your sauce added to the pan, we are now going to add a few ingredients to get that honey barbecue taste. And we're adding a 1/2 cup of unfiltered honey to start off with. And now we're going to add a 1/2 cup of packed dark brown sugar. Now give that a little stir just to mix all those ingredients together so far. And throughout this process, guys, we have our flame on medium to low heat until we get everything mixed in together. And now we're going to add about a 1/2 cup of water just to loosen up that sauce just a little bit, guys, because this sauce is really thick and concentrated, and we do want it to be a little bit more looser for when we have to dip in our chicken pieces. Alright, so once you got the sauce all mixed in, you want to go ahead and put a lid on and let it continue to cook on medium to low heat. And you do want to stir it frequently, guys, so it won't stick and burn. So you want to check it throughout and continue to stir your sauce. So we're going to just continue to simmer this on medium to low heat for about the next 5 to 6 minutes, guys. So as we're finishing up this chicken, guys, I'm just showing you how things are looking. Nice and golden, looking real good, guys. So as your batches get done, guys, you just want to set that aside in a different container until everything's all done. All right, so now that the chicken pieces are completed, we're gonna go ahead and get the sauce onto our chicken. So this is where all the magic happens, guys. This is how I make my honey barbecue fried chicken wings and chicken pieces. My sauce is still hot, so you want it to still be kind of hot, guys. I have a pan, or shall I say a coaster underneath my pan right now so it won't burn my island. But we're gonna take one piece at a time and we are gonna dip it in this sauce. And you wanna move it around until it's well coated. And once it's well coated, guys, you wanna go ahead and set it aside on this foil lined pan. All right, so now that the chicken is all seasoned up and sauced up, you want to go ahead and let it cool off a little bit or enjoy it while it's still hot, guys. But this is my honey barbecue fried chicken. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you really enjoy this recipe, and don't forget to subscribe, share this video with your friends and family, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.